So we are on the Coinbase chart for Bitcoin. Let's kind of look at what's going on. I would say at this point, this longer term falling wedge is also negated. I was saying if you didn't lose 60,000, that you could still say that that's in play, and the measured move with 87,000. That is no longer in play. So right now, the monthly time frame, which I never look at, it has more downside. So there could be more blood. The weekly time frame is still oversold. The 3-day is oversold for Bitcoin. The 2-day is oversold. The daily is also oversold for Bitcoin. So again, I would basically just look at the smaller time frames to see when we can bounce, because right now the higher time frames, like, unless you're looking at the monthly, the higher time frames, even the weekly, is oversold and ready for a bounce here. So at this point, we have to see where our next support is. Our next support is 57,000, and then so bulls have to get back above 60,600. And if you want to remain bearish, you would like to see us lose 57,000. I don't like that on the 8-hour time frame. You are losing the 200-day moving average. I talked about this the other day, but Bitcoin has not lost a 200-day smooth moving average since it started its run in October of last year, which was, 8 months ago? And that was when Bitcoin was sitting below 27,000. And that's the last time we lost a 200 smooth moving average on the 8-hour time frame. We have never closed since then. In the last 7 or 8 months, we've never closed an entire candle below that 8-hour, below that yellow line on the 8-hour chart. And right now, we still haven't done it. There's still 3 hours left in this candle. So but you need to bounce back to 62,000 in the next 3 hours. And when I say a candle, I mean an entire candle. So part of this candle is above it. So I wouldn't even count this as a close below it. But, you're in danger now on the 8-hour chart. If you don't get a bounce above 62,000 for Bitcoin in the next 11 hours, we are going to close out our first candle below that 200 smooth moving average on the 8-hour time frame in like 7 months. So that is extremely bearish from my point of view. So I don't like that if I'm trying to be bullish. And obviously, we're making lower highs, lower lows. That's not a good sign. So really, bulls have to get above. It's pretty simple at this point. If you do not reclaim 60,600, I look for more downside. And our next support is 57K, then some support at 52K, and then strong support at 49K range. If you guys enjoyed this update, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Make sure you hit the bell notifications so you stay notified every time I post a video on YouTube. And I'll see you guys in the next update.